Hello everyone, today we are going to explore the Coding Kitty web-based platform. So let's sign in. First, I'll add my interest. So I'm adding Python basics and my goal is to learn Python programming. After entering the details, I can see that it has generated some outline for me. Let's proceed to data structures and algorithms. So this is the learning path. First challenge is to code array and linked list. This is the Python editor and it has asked me to generate a reverse linked list. It has also provided some test cases to check my code, and there is also a hint so I can easily code. Now let's copy and paste some code so that we can check that whether it is accepting my submission or not. So let's paste the code, and this is my test case. Now click submit. It has graded the challenge 40% and it has also provided some feedback regarding my coding style. These are previous tests which I have given. Let's continue. Now stack and queues have been unlocked. I can start the challenge as well. Thanks for watching.